Hey everyone, so finally IIT Roorkee has officially released the J Advanced 2026 information brochure with all the important details aspirants must know. So let's break down the key points you must remember. The official brochure has the updated details which includes your registration, schedule, exam dates, fees, eligibility and more. So bookmark the official website, that is jeadv.ac.in. So let's mark your calendar with these particular dates. First, the registration begins from April 23rd, 2026. Last date to apply 2nd of May 2026. Admit cards will be available from 11th May to 17th May 2026. एग्जाम डेट्स जो रहेंगी वो रहेंगी 17th of May 2026 की, जो 2 पेपर्स रहेंगे ऑन द सेम डे. पेपर 1 9 AM to 12 PM and पेपर 2 2:30 PM to 5:30 PM. आंसर्स की May 25th 2026 को रिलीज हो जाएगी और आपका रिजल्ट आने वाला है 1st of June 2026. तो हम यहाँ ये कह सकते हैं कि रजिस्ट्रेशन, एग्जाम एंड रिजल्ट एवरीथिंग इज नाउ ऑफिशियली शेड्यूल्ड. अब देखते हैं हु कैन अप्लाई. सो ओनली द टॉप 2,50,000 rank holders from JEE Main 2026 across all categories will be eligible to register for JEE Advanced 2026. There's a category-wise distribution in that 2.5 lakh as per the reservation rules. You must meet the age limit born or after October 1st, 2001 with 5-year relaxation for SC, ST and PWD. Maximum 2 attempts in 2 consecutive years. There's a note. So if you have already taken admission in an IIT before, you cannot attempt this exam again. Fee highlights देख लेते हैं. So there's a fee update in 2026, especially for the foreign exam centers. For candidates appearing in India, the fee remains similar to the previous year. For foreign centers, the registration fee has been increased to USD 200 this year. एग्जाम पैटर्न्स एंड सेक्शंस की बात करें तो वो सेम ही है एज पर द लास्ट ईयर. सो आफ्टर द एडमिशन व्हाट विल बी योर नेक्स्ट स्टेप? आफ्टर द रिजल्ट्स यू विल गो थ्रू द जोसा एंड CSEP काउंसलिंग फॉर योर सीट अलोकेशन इन द IITs एंड अदर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स, जिसमें myexams.ai provides you with the complete assistance for JOSA and CSEP. So stay tuned with myexams.ai.